Y'all, my yard is very active with this dog vomit slime mold. Someone in my previous video helped me identify this stuff. Every day there's a different color variation. A couple days ago the mold was Cheeto orange, white, green, and black, I think. And today, this dog vomit slime mold looks like bad hamburger helper. It's burnt orange, yellow, black, and white. I feel like I should do a compilation of dog slime vomit mold because this stuff is popping up everywhere in my yard. Please let me know if you'd like to see a dog vomit slime mold compilation. And I thank y'all for watching. Thumbs up my video, like my video, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see what I'm getting up to. Bye, y'all.